We have a question here that is asking us to determine the area of graph between x is 1 and 3. And the graph looks like this. So we're wanting to find this area here. Now we've got a calculator because it's calculator assumed, and the function of this graph is 1 over x. So really quickly, the easiest way to do this is to find the integral from 1 to 3, okay, of 1 divided by x dx. And once we do that, we just need to put that into the calculator, and we found the right answer. So go to main, we'll pop open the keyboard, and we'll grab our integral, definite sign, we'll go from 1 to 3 for 1 over x, and all we have to do is hit enter. That's our answer. That's simple. Now it says it wants it correct to 3 decimal places, so I normally write it like this, and then get the approximation to say it's 0.99, and then units squared. Now it's important to add the units squared because you don't know what the units actually are, but it's important to do that because you might, depending on your marker, they might take a mark off. Who knows? If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. We'd be happy to help. There's heaps more questions like this on my website.